Captions.plicky.ai. Need accurate subtitles or full transcripts without the hassle of installing complicated software? Welcome to the Captions Cloud Transcription Service, a simple and reliable way to turn spoken words into text. All you need to do is upload an audio or video file, or, if you prefer, record your voice directly. That's it. From there, the service automatically handles advanced speech recognition, clean formatting, and secure delivery straight to your inbox. No extra steps required. There are countless ways to use it. Create subtitles for a short film or movie. Produce captions for your online training course. Transcribe a podcast episode. Extract accurate notes from a meeting. Or generate the complete script from a lecture or classroom presentation. Because everything runs entirely in the cloud, there's nothing for you to download, install, or maintain. That means no slowdown on your computer or phone, no storage issues, and no worries about performance. Everything is powered by fast, purpose-built servers designed for efficiency. Unlike many transcription services that charge per minute, Captions uses a straightforward, size-based pricing model. This makes it especially affordable for longer videos, high-fidelity audio, or ongoing projects where costs usually add up quickly. Once processing is complete, your transcript appears instantly on the page, can be set to auto-download, and if you prefer, will also arrive directly by email for convenience. Whether you're a creator, an educator, a filmmaker, or even a legal or business professional, you'll benefit from a platform built for clarity, speed, and affordability all in one place. So why wait? Try it today. Upload your file, let the system do the work, and get your words back as clean, usable text professionally, securely, and effortlessly. Visit our site now and transform the way you work with audio and video. Captions.plicky.ai